Magandang araw sa lahat ng mga kapamilya viewers natin, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, and all over the world. Ako po si Jaiho and welcome to the Solid Kapamilya 2023 Grand MediaCon of Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Kanina napanood po natin kasama sina VJ Ai at ang ating mga ABS-CBN bosses. Pumirma na nga po ng kanyang bagong kontrata si Miss Regine with ABS-CBN. Ngayon naman, maraming mga katanungan mula sa mga kaibigan natin from the media, from the press, ang agad-agad ding sasagutin ni Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Huwag kalimutan na gamitin ang official hashtag for this video. Hashtag Solid Kapamilya 2023 and hashtag Solid Kapamilya Regine. O diba, mag-subscribe na rin kayong lahat dito sa ating official Star Magic YouTube channel at i-follow nyo rin kami sa aming mga social media accounts. Hanapin lamang sa Instagram, Star Magic Fails. We have our friends from the internal media of ABS-CBN and also we invited some friends from the press. Mula sa external din, meron din tayong mga makakasama. Ako, very happy ako na makachikahan ulit si Ate Reg. Alam ko na she's very busy preparing para sa kanyang upcoming concert and of course, busy rin siya sa kanyang magandang buhay kasama ang mga momshies natin. Ngayon, alamin natin kung ano nga ba ang mga tumatakbo sa isipan ng nag-iisang Asia Songbird. Please welcome, Kapamilya, the Asia Songbird, Regine Velasquez Alcacid! Wow! Yes, Jumeta, Ate Reg. Hello po. Magandang araw po sa inyo.
Gabi na, bakla.
Hindi. Sa mga nanonood.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Maganda, ginabi.
Ginabi na.
Ginabi tayo, Ate Reg.
Ginabi na, oo. Hello sa inyo.
Yes, pero ito, Ate Reg, congratulations po.
Thank you.
You signed another contract with ABS-CBN.
Yes. Ano ba to? Another 50 years.
Another 50 years with the Asia Songbird, di ba?
Another 50 years, yes. Thank you very much.
Terej, bago ko po ipasa sa mga kaibigan natin from the press, I remember po, yung first time na ipinakilala kayo as a kapamilya, magkasama tayo sa ASAP Sydney.
Yes.
That's the time na parang unang appearance mo na nag-perform ka sa ASAP.
Sa ASAP, oo.
Ang bilis po ng panahon, ngayon bago kontrata na naman.
Pang ilang taon ko na ba ngayon? Nag 5 years na ba ako? Parang 4 years. Going on 5. Oo, 5 years na. O, tinan mo, mas alam nila. Oo nga, tama ka. 5 years na.
5 years na. Kamusta, Terej? Kanina, on your way, papunta dito para dito sa bagong renewal of contract. Ano pong na-feel ninyo na bago na namang mga pagsasamahan?
It's exciting. Kasi syempre, parang eto, may bago ulit tayong bubunuin.
Yes.
Syempre, hindi ka mag-aalinlangan kasi may kontrata ulit with ABS. So, it's always nice, syempre. And, kasi you look forward to it naman eh. At saka, nakakatuwa kasi sila dito. They make a big deal out of it eh. So, I kind of look forward to it also. So, yeah.
Totoo yun. Naalala ko yung winelcome ka mula pagbaba ng sasakyan.
Actually, yun, very overwhelming.
Di ba may mga balloons?
For me, nagulat ako na, sabi ko, bakit nandaing tao? So, that was wonderful. That was wonderful. And then every 2 years, nagre-renew. So, it's been, for all of us na naging part ng kapamilya, it has been challenging, di ba? But at the same time, for me at least, no, kasi since bago lang ako, bago-bago, parang it made me feel more of a kapamilya because of all the challenges that we all had to go through.
Buti po nabanggit niyo yan kasi parang dyan po papunta yung tanong ko na when you signed the contract with ABS-CBN, parang pagkatapos ng mga pagpirma, sumunod ka agad yung the pandemic, tapos po yung hindi pagkakaroon ng franchise. Pero ako po na dito din lumaki talaga sa ABS-CBN, naramdaman ko po na nandyan kayo para mas lalong maging strong din kaming mga nandito sa kapamilya. At halos lahat ng digital shows before, Ate Reg, nandun ka palagi. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Oo, syempre kasi wala din naman akong ibang gagawin. So, okay na lang din. Yeah, kasi, like I said, di ba minsan in life, kailangan lang nating may ma-experience na hindi masyadong maganda for us to appreciate where we are or what we have. And I guess at that time, mas lalo ko talagang na-appreciate ang mga kapamilya, especially yung mga bosses natin. Kasi talagang ipinaglalaban nila. They're trying to provide jobs for everyone. So kahit hanggang ngayon, even though it's difficult, fight so that kahit papano, we'll still have something, diba?
Totoo yan. And ayan, ngayon, nandito tayo lahat, nandyan pa rin kayo. Talagang kapamilya forever, di ba? Walang iwanan. Reg, kwento ka naman, kamusta yung experience, of course, being part of main stay host of Magandang Buhay tuwing umaga, Ma'am She Reg?
Oo nga, parang nag 1 year na ako, no?
Opo.
Parang nag 1 year na ako. Nai-enjoy ko siya kasi dati naman sa kabila, sa Kapuso, meron din akong morning show. But it wasn't every day. It was just every Saturday. And I remember enjoying it. So parang na-miss ko din na magkaroon ng talk show lang. But this one is different kasi meron akong dalawang momshies naka-join na tawang-tawang-tawa lang ako lagi. Di ba? Yung si Melay, parang such a sunshine for me and Jolen. So, sobra kong nang-enjoy. And ngayon, parang hindi na nga, mahirap din kasi yung ginagawa namin kasi after a while, natutuyuan ka
Totoo
brain
yan.
cells.
Nag-iisip.
Oo, kasi ginagamit mo yung brains mo. So, but since I am with two lovely ladies, parang nai-enjoy ko talaga. Parang hindi ka nagtatrabaho. And ang big deal sa amin para sa araw na yun ay ang aming lunch. Because we have lunch together before we taped for the next episode. It's a big deal. Parang it's an event. Parang may pa-fiesta lagi. And yun ang amin. Tapos magkukwentuhan kami, catching up, kung what happened na to ganito, kung ano na nangyari kay ganyan. So it's nice. I look forward to it. I mean, it's still hard kasi you're still working and like I said, you minsan medyo nagdo-dry na mga brain cells. Nauubos. Pero kasi nga, nai-enjoy mo eh. So, parang hindi mo masyadong nararamdaman yung pagod. So, I'm enjoying it very, very much. And dun kasi, iba naman, nanay lang kami doon. And we're just having fun. And marami din akong natututunan. Kasi yung mga episodes namin ngayon, marami na yung mga, like, about kunwari, medyo malalim na about mental health. Yung may mga experts kaming ini-invite pa. So, marami kang natututunan about sickness, yung mga normal na colds and cough, yung mga, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo pagka may anak ka, syempre you want to know. So, ang dami naming na informations na natututunan kasi we also invite people na who are experts, like I said. So, ayun.
Kagaya nyo po, syempre kaming mga nanonood din, natututo din kami kasi meron kayo talagang legit sources from the experts sa programa.
Oo, plus we also have our own
Feng Shui.
Oo, yes. Plus we also have our own experiences as momshies na we think na we might be able to also inspire other momshies and ganyan. So, maganda siya, nakakatawa kasi hindi lang siya yung katatawanan, hindi lang siya yung to entertain. You also learn, from the show, which is, I think, a good thing kasi marami ka naman talagang kailangang mga matutunan din, di ba? Lalo na yung mga bagong mommies, yung mga ganon, yung mga nag-uumpisa pa lang. Yun, marami kami mga pa-tips doon. So, kahit sa pagluluto, ganun, maraming mga, kasi nag-i-invite kami lagi ng mga mahilig magluto. So, nagbibigay kami ng mga example na pwede
Tipid
nilang, oo,
recipes.
tipid recipes,
Yes.
ganyan, or ano yung pwede nilang gawin pag kayo nagmamadali, yung mga ganun.
Totoo. Kaya kami rin, nag-enjoy din talaga. Yes, Ate Reg.
Mm-mm.
May tanong sa atin, syempre, si Miss Marinelle. Ayan.
Hello po. Hi, Miss
Hello,
Reg.
hi.
Ayun, yung question ko first is, for quite a few years now, yung ikaw ay nasa mentor mode ka na, di ba? Tapos, sinabi mo pa rin kay Sarah Gina, parang siya yung queen of the industry. Tapos parang, what do you always tell the younger artists kapag they seek your advice? And then, in the future, gusto mo rin ba mag-ala Mr. C na may school na pwede ka magturo, ganyan?
Yung sa school, baka hindi na kaya ng powers ko. At ano ituturo ko? Hindi ko alam kung ano ituturo ko. Baka kung ano-anong katrataduhan na ituturo ko sa school. Huwag na lang siguro.
But Teacher Reg.
Naku, baka wag na. I'm happy that these young singers, young artists would always come to me pagka yung meron silang gustong hingi ng advice. Natutuwa ako doon kasi parang na-share ko sa kanila yung mga experiences ko. Wala naman yun problema sa akin. Ako feeling ko parang that's how it should be.
Yes.
I mean, the 35 years that I have been singing, what will I do with all those experiences? It'll die with me later on in life. Diba? So parang might as well, share it with other kids that hopefully it'll make their journey better or a little bit less stressful.
Ano po sinasabi niyo sa kanila, Miss Reg?
Anong sinasabi ko sa kanila? Siguro sa industriyang ito, all they need to do para sa akin, they just have to show up. Kung ano yung estado ng mind nila, estado ng puso nila, ng boses nila, you just have to keep showing up. Alam mo yung kasabihan na the show must go on? It really has to. Because the audience they don't know what's happening to you and they don't really need to know. So you just have to keep showing up. That's what it is. That's what we do. We are entertainers, so we show up. We keep showing up to entertain people. And I hope that I'm able to say that I'm able to say it to them enough. Oo, kasi minsan ganun yun, pajulit-julit mo sasabihin para tumatak
Ma-absorb.
sa
Apo.
kanila. Oo, ma-absorb nila yung message.
Okay.
So,
Next question, Miss Reg. Sa morning show mo, madalas din na may mga nakakaiyak na kwentuhan or yun nga, sad stories and sometimes nadadala ka pa, naiiyak ka din. What do you do para hindi mo masyado ma-absorb? And pati din yung two other co-hosts mo, what do you do? Parang to debrief or something?
inaaliw namin yung isa't isa. Pinagtatawanan namin si Melay. Pinagtatawanan namin yung isa't isa. That's the only way that
Pero
you can...
meron po talagang ganong moments na it gets to you?
Kasi yung sa show naman, yung mga nakakaiyak na moments, it's always yung happy kind na moments na nakakaiyak. Hindi naman yung... I have not encountered yet yung medyo yung malungkot talaga. Or I just don't remember. Pero parang hindi pa naman, wala pa naman. And if ever we did encounter something like that, yun na nga, paaliwin na lang namin yung sarili namin. For me, kasi it's a talk show. You don't have a character which you have to play. Na iba kasi yun pagka umaarte ka and meron kang character that you have to play, there's always a danger of you bringing it home. So yun yung mas mahirap. When you're just a talk show host, ikaw lang yung nagtatanong hindi naman, ma-affect ka dun sa story niya, pero hindi naman ikaw yun So kumbaga, nakiki-empathize ka lang. So it's, you're not really directly affected by what's happening to the person you're interviewing.
Miss Reg, ano na lang yung in-enjoy mo the most dun sa pagiging talk show host?
I'm enjoying the company of the two girls, and of course the staff and everyone that I work with there. That's what I enjoy very much. Like I said, I look forward to seeing them whenever, whenever we do have tapings or we have a live episodes. Lunch is a big deal for us. It's an event for some reason because we get to eat and talk to each other. That's how we get to know each other naman, di ba? You talking, chikahan through food, di ba? And kasi mga Pinoy ganun, di ba? Mahilig tayong makipagkwentuhan habang kumakain. So, habang nakikilala ko pati sila. Si Jolens kasi kilala ko na siya matagal na kasi nakasama ko rin siya noon. Pero for some reason, parang iba yung pagkakakilanlan namin ulit ngayon. It's on a deeper level, I suppose, because we're much older now. And I'm also getting to know Melay on a different level also. So, yeah, I'm enjoying that. It's the two girls and the rest of the people that I work with that I'm enjoying very much. And yung mga guests namin, yung nakikilala mo yung mga guests na nagpupunta doon na parang, ganito pala siya. Ganon. So, nakakatuwa din yun kasi, yun na nga, minsan nakikita mo sa hallway, yung nag-guest sa ASAP, pero pagka nag-guest kasi sila sa Magandang Buhay, medyo...
Alam mo na yung kwento nila, di ba?
Merong kwentong... Yes. Hindi, tsaka hindi lang yun. Pag nagko-commercial, meron pa kaming ibang kwentuhan. So, mas personal pa yun, yung mga hindi nila masasabi sa camera. Kukwento pa nila yun sa amin. So, nakakatuwa kasi they're always very willing naman to share whatever experience they have. So, it's wonderful. Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Reg.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Marinel.